What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bright Uchechuku, and I'm super excited because I got a fun video for you guys today. So with that being said, let's get into it, okay?
The Podge remix.
Okay, so before we get too far into the video, I do want to ask y'all to hit the subscribe button down below. It's that little red button down there. Tap it a little bit. Also hit the like button if you're down there as well. Also turn your notifications on because then you will never miss a video when I post that, because I do post Saturday, Sunday, but sometimes it's like on Monday. So if you have your notifications on, you will never miss when I post a video. Honestly, I should have a bottle of wine if we're gonna do this, but I don't. So we're just gonna talk about it anyway. But I want to talk about some of the trends, interior design trends that I've seen on the social media websites, the TikToks, your Instagrams, your Pinterest. I've seen them all, and I want to talk about some of the trends I am excited for it to go. Okay, so the first one that is deep in my heart, and I want to just get out now. Well, the strip lights that you're putting on the corners of your wall sometimes look tacky. It sometimes looks tacky, and I want your rooms to be beautiful, and I want it to stand out, and I want someone to walk in there and be like, damn, I want this room. I want to chill in here. Them LED strips don't make me feel like I want to chill in there. It makes me want to dance, but also makes me want to leave. So if you want your lighting to be like wow effect, use it as what it's meant to be used for. They're meant to be used to accent certain things in your home, so they can be used for more architectural detail. If you don't have a little peak in your ceiling, then don't do it. Maybe put it behind your bed, then that way it casts the light, kind of shines on the sides of the beds a little bit, maybe underneath your bed. Also maybe behind your mirrors. You've seen those, like maybe it's like behind furniture pieces, and then it illuminates the sides of it, and then it looks a bit more classy, a bit more put together. When you have the LED lights out in the daytime when they're not turned on, you can see them, and that doesn't even look good. Maybe at night when your lights are going on, you don't notice the LED strips, but once it's turned off, you see it, and it doesn't look cute. So let me just be your big sister here and tell you, just take the damn things off. They do not look good. Put it somewhere else. I'm sure it will look better. Next one that I'm so excited for them to leave. And I don't know how At first, I liked it. At first, I really did. And I honestly wanted to do it myself. And then I kept staring at it. And then I looked at it a couple more times. And I realized I actually hated the trend. I really did not like it. It's the foam things that you foam up your mirrors and the tables. I think in the mirror, it looks cute. I think the mirror one looks very, very tasteful. When it's done like very certain colors, it looks very cute. But the ones where I start seeing coffee tables, side tables. I don't know if I've ever seen a chair or anything like that, but those kinds of, when you start over foaming, I know it looks good the one time, but I know sometimes people tend to like take it over the edge. I'm here to wheel you back in. Well, even at the mirror looks very cute when it's done. It's like cute, it's like an artwork. It can be tasteful. It's overdone, and especially the rooms where you can tell they just had too much fun with the damn foam thing, like the little spray can, and they foamed everything up. If you don't know what I'm talking about, good. If you do know what I'm talking about, check yourself. If you have it on your mirror, it's still cute. I'll still take a picture in front of it if I was there. But I'm just saying, don't overdo it. Just do one, that's it. Don't overdo. So this is another trend. I love this trend, but I also hate that people are overdoing it. And it's more of the TikTok users I want to talk to. I want to sit you down and talk to you about it, because this is becoming an issue. Every time there's a new DIYer who is doing a lovely accent wall, it's the board and batten like pattern that is happening on the walls. I love that. I think it can look very tasteful. I think it can be so cute, and when it's painted and everything looks very cute, I love it. I'm here for it. But it looks like everyone's doing the same thing, and the same colors usually, and almost the same patterns usually. If you're gonna do that trend, try other patterns. Maybe try larger boxes that you're creating, larger squares instead of very small ones, because it looks like someone just copying pasting it over and over. It's like plagiarism, and you're not getting in trouble for it. I'm telling you to stop. Okay, stop it. Try more versatility in it. You know, try something different. Try bigger squares, small, big, tiny squares if you want. But stop doing the same pattern the next person's doing and try a different pattern. It's still a beautiful concept. Just don't keep repeating the same concept everyone's repeating, because it just looks like you're copying the same thing and there's no personalization, no uniqueness to it. And then it's cute, but it's not that cute anymore after 130 people, your neighbors, have the same one. You know, we don't want that. You want uniqueness. It's your space. Make it your space. All right, so I know we've been some paths that we've been a little bit negative in the beginning of this video, talking about the things that we did not love about, you know, some of the DIY, some of the trends from this year, and I can't wait to see it die out for this year. But for next year, I am still excited for certain trends that are happening right now. And one of them being, you know, the Mod Podge trend, where you mix in some baking soda with some paint, and then you create a very cool, very looking ceramic, unique pieces out of it. You can turn your, you know, ugly vases into a beautiful ceramic vase that looks like you got it from CB2. It looks like it cost you an arm and a leg, but it didn't. It cost you like $5, which I am here for. Other trend is like the candle, melting candle one, where you twist the candle and it creates a fun little shape. It's giving me very fun retro vibes and I love it. Those kinds of trends I'm here for. Those trends are beautiful. I've seen some really fun pieces that people have done, so keep doing that. Regardless of what I've said throughout this entire video, at the end of the day, it's still your space. It's still whatever you want to do. Take my advice with a grain of salt. It is just my opinion. I am not forcing it on you. I'm only telling you what I see from my eyes, if it's good or not. But you can listen if you want to listen, but you don't have to listen. Don't come for me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video regardless. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there. Leave me a comment. Tell me some trends you are excited to see go. Please, I'd love to read some of those too. Or some trends you'd love to see stay. Love to read that too. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media sites. I do have a design page, which is Truly Bright Interiors. I also have a personal page, which is its_bright. Oh, I got one more page, which is Adantes. Adantes is my home decor business that I started. I do a little bit more hand ceramic things there, and hoping to grow and expand that business as time goes on. So definitely join me along with that journey. I do have a website as well with that, where I post some blog posts, usually related to the videos that I'm making. So if you want more fun, you know, content for you to read through, there's usually like a shopping list in the bottom. I show fun pictures. It's a fun place to be, really. So follow me. That's all I gotta say. Just follow me. I'll change your life. One piece at a time, one video at a time. Anyways, I gotta go. Bye.